Cute ng aso.
Bawat ano pala may umaligid.
The PIDEA Drug Enforcement Officers are graduates from the PIDEA Academy in Silang, Cavite. They undergone 6 months rigorous and comprehensive training that equipped them with capability designed to mold highly skilled and ethical anti-drug operatives. It combines classroom learning, practical exercises, and field work to prepare agents for the real-world challenges of fighting illegal drugs. We have here an agent wearing protective gear equipment used during high-risk operations. These are essential for ensuring safety and effectiveness in the field, especially when dealing armed drug personalities. He is equipped with a Galiad Ace that is manufactured by Israel Weapon Industries. This is an assault rifle with a gas-repeated rotating bolt with a loading system of 30 rounds magazine. The secondary weapon is a Jericho 941 45 caliber semi-automatic pistol manufactured by Israel Weapon Industries. It is a double action or single action based on the D75 design, known for its excellent ergonomics and reliability. The PIDEA K9 unit undergoes 6 months rigorous and highly technical training at the PIDEA K9 training facility at San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Which involves specialized education and preparation of both dogs and their handlers to detect illegal drugs, support operations, and ensure public safety. The PIDEA K9 unit plays a specialized role in supporting the agency's anti-drug operations. Their primary function is to use trained narcotic detection dogs to locate illegal drugs in various locations like airports and seaports, baggage and cargo terminals, vehicles and public transport, buildings, homes, and open areas. Kami po sa Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, kasama ng aming mag-ibig sa pagpatupad ng batas laban sa illegal na droga, ay kaisa sa layunin ng ating pamahalaan sa ating pagpapayabang sa gana na bagong Pilipinas. Mabuhay po ang ating bansa, mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
At siyempre, kung nandyan ang nasipit at si Eya sa kanilang isang handog bilang, Maestro, music! Ang gitna na si Pede.
Dalawa.
Kulay pa ang buhok.
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena! Macarena, Macarena!
Nasira yung ano.
Macarena! Okay, everyone, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Pleasant afternoon on rainy day to all. I am Lieutenant Colonel Dinamen Tobok, currently the Aprisco Liaison Office, National Capital Region, with my Aprisco recruitment team. We have with me the affiliated units, the 855 IIL, the 7 offers Pensico, and the 7 offer RCCI. All of these are affiliated of the Armed Forces Reserve Command. You know, gentlemen, the Armed Forces Reserve Command is a vital component of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, responsible for managing and training the service. Its mission is to ensure the Armed Forces readiness capabilities from various efforts, including developing reservists, supporting their mobilization, and providing essential support in various operations like HCTR, humanitarian disaster relief, and other missions, non-military traditions. At this juncture, I will present to you the units capabilities starting from 855 IIL under the stewardship of Lieutenant Colonel Ong, followed by the 7 offers Kensicom under the stewardship of Major Aliscad, and last the 7 offers RCCI under the watch of Lieutenant Colonel Pascual. To brief you on their assets equipment, we glad to greet you, especially the late organizers, created the National Historic Commission of the Philippines, and other agencies who are participating in this momentous event in line with the 127th Independence Day celebration. Once again, a blessed day and Godspeed to all.
Medical specialist, demolition specialist, weapons specialist, at the same time you communication specialist.
Plate niya. Name plate niya nalaglag.
Ano kaya ginagawa nito? Kaya. Sabak mo din rin ah. Sabi na pa, kaya. Ataw mo! Ataw mo! Wating nyo na, wating nyo na. Sila.
Bututs bututs pala eh.
Nakakita kasi yan.
Matay.
Pagkato natin si Captain Patrice at si Pati ng AB. Magkabarkada talaga yan, kaya hindi natin iwanan. Music, maestro.